90-day fiancé couple considers divorce for throuple, while another faces family tension over 23-year age gap. In the latest developments from the popular reality show 90-Day Fiancé, two couples are facing significant struggles that push the boundaries of traditional relationships, raising complex issues surrounding marriage, family, and trust. The Throuple dilemma: Matt, Amani, and Hany. One of the most unique and controversial storylines of this season revolves around Matt, Amani, and Hany. This married couple has been navigating the complexities of polyamory for a while, but their latest predicament is unlike any other seen on 90-Day Fiancé. Matt and Amani, a couple from San Diego, have been married for some time, but their evolving relationship has taken an unconventional turn. The couple has been exploring polyamory and are considering adding Hany, a woman from Mexico, into the mix. This is where things get complicated. According to the rules of U.S. immigration, in order for Hany to join Matt and Amani in the U.S. on a K-1 visa, the couple may need to get legally divorced. The concept of polyamory within the legal bounds of a marriage, particularly in the context of the immigration system, has never been explored on the show before, and this situation is raising many eyebrows. Amani has expressed that while the divorce would be, on paper, only, the emotional implications of such a step are significant. She admits to struggling with jealousy at the thought of their relationship dynamics shifting and fears that one of them, especially Hany, could eventually feel excluded or left behind. On the other hand, Matt appears to be more optimistic about the arrangement. He reassures their friends and family that his love and commitment to both women are genuine and unwavering. According to Matt, the legal divorce would not affect the emotional bonds they share, but this reassured mindset might not be enough to convince everyone around them. The couple's close friends, Kelly and Eric, have expressed reservations about their plan. They worry that bringing a third person into their marriage could cause unforeseen complications, especially considering the legal complexities involved. Their skepticism about the situation only adds to the mounting pressure on Matt and Amani, who are already dealing with their own personal struggles. Amani, although initially open to the idea, now questions if this polyamorous relationship could cause harm to their family unit in the long run. Despite these concerns, Matt remains firm in his desire to move forward. He insists that he will remain involved in both Amani's and Hany's lives regardless of the legal situation. However, Amani's doubts about the long-term viability of this polyamorous arrangement continue to linger. The age gap conundrum: Mark, Mina, and family strain. Another couple, Mark and Mina, is also experiencing major hurdles, but theirs stem from a 23-year age gap that is causing tension between them and their families. Mark, 58, and Mina, 35, are planning to expand their family by having another child, but the decision has sparked deep concerns, particularly from Mark's daughter, Jordan, who is only a few years younger than Mina. Jordan's reaction to the idea of another child is one of skepticism and worry. She fears that Mina, whom she believes is primarily interested in Mark's wealth and status, might be manipulating her father into making decisions that will ultimately divide the family. These concerns came to a head during the baptism of Mark and Mina's first child, where Jordan noticed her father spending lavishly on the ceremony, prompting her to question Mina's intentions. The idea of Mark and Mina expanding their family only adds fuel to the fire. Jordan feels that having another child could place a further strain on the already delicate family relationships. She has gone as far as suggesting that Mark and Mina sign a prenuptial agreement to protect his financial assets, which only increases the tension between them. While Mark is clearly devoted to Mina, he is also caught in the middle of his daughter's concerns. He has expressed his hesitations about prenups in the past, especially after a previous relationship soured over financial disagreements. Despite the emotional strain this situation has placed on their relationship, Mark remains steadfast in his decision to have another child with Mina. He insists that he is doing what feels right for his family, even if it means facing some uncomfortable truths about his relationship with both Mina and his daughter. However, Jordan continues to voice her concerns, and in a confessional, she says, when Mina finally comes to the United States, this isn't going to fly anymore. It's clear that the situation between the two women will only become more complicated as the show progresses. Navigating non-traditional relationships on 90-Day Fiancé. These two couples illustrate the increasing complexity of relationships in the modern age. As 90-Day Fiancé continues to explore the many facets of love and commitment, these stories of polyamory and age gaps show that the definition of family and marriage is evolving. For Matt, Amani, and Hany, their exploration of a throuple dynamic raises questions about the societal acceptance of polyamory and whether such relationships can function successfully under the pressures of immigration laws and family expectations. For Mark and Mina, their age gap highlights the generational differences in how people view marriage, parenting, and financial security. The tension between Mark's loyalty to Mina and his daughter's concerns over potential manipulation reflects a common challenge many families face when unconventional relationships are involved. As viewers, we are reminded that love is not one size fits all. The 90-Day Fiancé couples this season are pushing boundaries and forcing audiences to confront their own biases about what constitutes a normal relationship. Whether it's through a polyamorous arrangement or an age gap that sparks familial tension, these couples demonstrate that love is often messy, complicated, and anything but predictable. The road ahead. What will happen next? As the season continues, fans are eager to see how these stories will unfold. Will Matt and Amani successfully navigate the complexities of their throuple arrangement? Will Mark and Mina find a way to balance their desire for more children with the family tensions brewing around them? The answers to these questions will likely have a significant impact on the future of these relationships, and could even set the stage for future seasons of 90 Day Fiancé. As with all 90 Day Fiancé storylines, the journey is never straightforward. For these couples, the road ahead is filled with obstacles, emotional challenges, and difficult decisions. However, one thing is certain: their stories will continue to captivate audiences and spark important conversations about the nature of love, family, and the ever-changing definition of marriage.